Lately, AI is generating buzz, but before you make a purchase, here are 12 things you need to know to see if it's the right fit for your business. While it's a solid choice, we'll also compare it to some of its competitors to help you make an informed decision. First, let's talk about pricing. Lately, AI operates with a subscription model, which can be expensive for smaller businesses. It offers different tiers, but compared to other tools in the generative AI space, it doesn't always give you the best bang for your buck. Some competitors offer more flexibility in their plans and better value at the same price point. Next thing, ease of use. Lately, AI is designed with simplicity in mind, but its user interface can feel a bit clunky for beginners. If you're used to more intuitive software like ChatGPT or other platforms, Lately might feel like a bit of a learning curve. The third thing you should know is the depth of its features. Lately, AI excels in automating marketing workflows and content creation, but it lacks some advanced customization options found in other AI tools. For businesses looking for full control over their campaigns, other platforms might offer more flexibility. The fourth thing is its focus on social media content. While Lately AI does a great job of generating social media posts, it doesn't always hit the mark in other content creation areas. If you need something that can handle a broader range of content, there are other solutions that provide more variety. Next, let's discuss its integrations. Lately AI integrates with a decent number of platforms, but it doesn't have the same broad range of integrations that top competitors offer. If your business relies on specific tools or platforms, Lately may fall short in that regard. The sixth thing to consider is the AI's learning curve. It's built to get smarter over time, but in practice, the learning process isn't as fast as you'd hope. For businesses that need instant results, there are more advanced generative AI options that can provide faster output without as much waiting. The seventh thing is the quality of output. Lately, AI's content generation can be hit or miss. It works well for certain types of posts, but sometimes the content it generates lacks the creativity and nuance that some of the competitors provide. You might need to tweak it further before it's ready for your audience. The eighth thing is its scalability. Lately, AI is best suited for businesses with a consistent need for social media and marketing automation. If you're running a large-scale operation with varied needs, it might struggle to keep up with the demands, and you might find other tools better suited for rapid growth. The ninth point is customer support. Lately, AI has a decent support team, but they don't provide the same level of responsiveness or depth as some of its competitors, who offer 24/7 live chat and more detailed resources for troubleshooting. Next, let's talk about the community and resources. Lately, AI has a small but growing community. However, compared to larger platforms like Jasper or Writesonic, it doesn't have as many tutorials, user guides, or a forum for users to share tips and strategies. The 11th thing to consider is its automation. Lately, AI automates content creation, but doesn't fully automate marketing strategies. If you're looking for something that can handle the full marketing funnel, some alternatives offer more robust automation features that help with lead generation, email marketing, and analytics. Finally, let's talk about support for businesses beyond content. Lately, AI focuses on content creation, but it's not as versatile when it comes to other business functions like customer service or data analysis. If you need an AI solution that can cover multiple areas of your business, you might need to look elsewhere. So, is Lately AI a good choice for your business? It's a solid option, especially for those focused on social media content and marketing. But if you're looking for something that offers a broader range of features and better value, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free, and it might be the perfect fit for your business needs.